Tama ba ma? Tanan? Wala na.
Lahat tanan.
Nide.
Ha?
Bahay.
Balay.
Nakuha aking balay. Hi you guys. I'm doing a live to unbox the gifts. You guys gave so much from yesterday and I wasn't able to unbox them kasi medyo sobrang late na nakauwi. Plus, hindi lang late nakauwi. Ano ba yun? Hindi lang late nakauwi, pero maaga rin ako. I had a pretty long day today. You guys like my outfit? I just want to show you. Like my outfit? I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Hold on. I'll unbox the gifts. But I want to show you the outfit because meron din siyang, I have a matching bag to go with it. You guys saw my post earlier. Cute, no? I want more skirts like this. Ito naman, this is in my showcase area. I got it here. As in, sa tingin ko this whole day, kasi Sunday ngayon, nakita ko ng 3 tao, ito din yung suot. Buti na lang magkaibang kulay. So, pero okay lang din. Okay. We're going to do an unboxing video. Hi guys. Andrea. Hey. Hello Nuggies. Hi. Yes, Oye has been starting. Why? Kasi sa tingin ko, hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. You know, surprise na lang din kami. But I think it's because dami nagre-request kayo sa inyo na, di pa kami ready. Kayo pa yung sinisi. Hindi, I don't know. I apologize. Alam ko a lot of people got upset, but, what? Betty ka pagod, sakit pa katawan at ulo ko. At Tinika, you have no idea. Almost the whole day, sakit ng ulo ko. I woke up at, nakauwi ako kahapon ng 4:00. Tapos, nagising ako ng 6. Tapos, pwede ko pang sayawin yung yung kulit. Okay, unbox na tayo. Okay lang. Where should I go? Where should I start? I think I should start with the flowers kasi we'll arrange it. Let's arrange it together. I like arranging flowers. Thank you for the flowers. So I have one. Let's start with this really beautiful big one. This one. Look at this. Napakaganda. Oh my gosh. Like, it's all different kinds of flowers. Like, ang gaganda. Like, may orchid pa. Tapos, color blue yung orchid. Or, it got dusted off with blue. Ang ganda. Saan yung nakuha to? Like, I think ito kailangan sa dining area. Okay na to. So, it has a love letter. Okay. Dito natin i-showcase yung gift while I read the letters. Ano? Ba't ka nagagalit sa teaser? Hindi pa trailer yun, guys. Teaser pa lang. Sana you guys liked it. I'll talk about it more. Let's just continue this. Okay. From Jen Kina. Congratulations, Nicole. Oh, yeah. Naputol. 2 lang eh. But thank you, Jen. These are such beautiful flowers. I'll arrange it. Naghahanap si mama ng vase, pero we're gonna try to arrange it tonight.
Sila.
Yes, thank you for these. Okay, I'll show you how I arrange it. Or, naka-arrange na to eh. So, baka ito hindi na i-arrange. I-display na lang. Okay, next. Hanggang maubos to. Ha? Wala akong binibenta. Sa tingin nila nagbibenta ako. TikTok, I am not selling anything. I am unboxing. I-end na daw yung live ko. Why you gonna end my live? Okay, next. Flowers again. These are such pretty flowers too. It matches me. Na-notice ko kasi, nagpa-color analysis ako. Itong color na to, bagay na bagay sa akin. Yung medyo plum colors, wala lang. The same. Ang ganda. Ito. Bagay siya sa balat ko. Pretty. Okay. These are from Ates of Nicole. We wanted to take a quick moment to say how incredibly proud we are. We always be here cheering for you guys. Oh, thank you. Salamat, Ates of Nicole. Thank you. Ito, i-display ko talaga to. I mean, i-arrange pala. Okay, because medyo magkakulay siya sa flowers na binigay niyo kay Mama. And I think it's perfect for the receiving area in our home. And then once I've arranged it and fixed it, I'll take a photo. I'll put it on my channel. So, if you guys don't mind, please do follow. Okay, next. Pero puro flowers lang muna yung papakita ko. We also have these kinds of flowers. This one was naabot sa akin ng Fanny sa my parking. I didn't catch her name though, but thank you. Yung mga ganito, just so you guys know, I choose a specific flower I want to keep, and I put it in a vase in my room. So I have a vase full of individuals of this. Hindi ko na makikip yung buo. Yeah. Basta, I make my own vase of these. Huwag kayong mag-mine, hindi ako nagbebenta. Wisit. Ay, sorry po. Iinis. Kasi kala nila nagbebenta tuloy ako. Change ko na nga angle. Papagod na rin natin. Here. Ito kasi ng ilaw dito. Pinatay ko kasi. Okay, next. So there's also this flowers. These really pretty ones. This is so nice. Look at that. I have never received this amount of flowers in my life in one day. Thank you. You guys, kumakatok si Goku ya. Okay, Bebo, come in. Wait, guys. Let's bring Bebo in. Wait. Bebo. Uy, Kuya. Say hi. Here, guys. I'll show you, Bebo. Let's go into his position. High five. Say hi. Hi, baby. Ang dungis niya, no? Parang hindi siya, wala eh. He likes to go on dirty places, eh. Okay. Next. Sorry. Ito. This is from... Oh, no. Wala siyang letter. What siya letter? I don't know who it came from or maybe it fell, but thank you. I hope pagpakita yung letter. Thank you po dito. Hindi ko siya binibenta. How much kayo ng how much is mine? I'm putting it in my house. Nicole. This is from Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. Is it? Okay. Thank you, Nicole. Ayun pala. Sobrang good idea yung dito ako nag-unbox. Para magsabi kayo sa akin kung saan ba galing. Basta i-arrange namin ni Madra. And then, kung saan ko siya ma-position, I will take a photo. You guys will see it on my channel. Okay. Wala ngang bed. Parang ako lang nag-live selling daw. Hindi nga ako nagla-live kasi yung position ng camera ko. Dito nga talaga. Kapalit. Yan. Kasi naka-full body. Kasi I wanted to show you my outfit, y'all. Does she put the Olongapo? Yeah, I'm gonna be in Olongapo soon. Wait. Ako yung imamain mo. Hindi na ako nagla-live selling nga ni. Na-stress sa live selling. Baka maano ako dito. Okay, next. Okay. I really love this top. I got all the colors. Again, it's in my... What do you call it? It's in my account. Next, another flower. Yan, ito. Yan. So, kunwari ganito. Ang ginagawa ko, I get one. This one, I don't know who it's from also. Wala na naman siyang letter. I get one. Ito, ilalagay ko siya doon sa parang vase ko na nandun yung mga ganito na binigay ever since I started. Or ever since I received flowers like these. And then, ito, I give it to whoever. So, hindi lang ako yung nabibigyan niyo. I hope you guys don't take that in the wrong way. I display these in my room. Okay? Guys, I can't invite Jai. He isn't here. If he is, then of course I would, if he would allow to. But if not, hindi tayo namimilit. Oo. Pagod siguro yun. Okay. Next. May isa pang flower dito, but it's actually not mine. Flower siya, I think ni Wilbea, but they left it. Like sa sobrang daming yung nabigay sa kanila, we were supposed to give it to their RM. Hindi na kami nagkita. So, I will try to give it. But yeah, that isn't mine. Okay? Here, there's a cute one. Medyo, nag-fall apart na nga ni. Naipit na siya. But this is from Nicole, from Tita Teen and Jivers. Don't be so grumpy in the morning, Kiara. Have a great day. Naano ako dun sa paper na ginamit. Aww, thank you. Lalang. We're shooting na eh. So, bilis ko maalala yung mga ganito. Ha? Ha? You wanna send a letter too? Yeah, when you can, please do. Okay. Give me a letter. I appreciate it. Okay, next. Okay. So, let's move on to the gifts. The flowers are done. Si Mama, nag-arrange siya ng flowers. Because binigyan din si Mother ng flowers. And sobrang sweet niya. So, mahilig kami ngayon sa live flowers. Like, we display it na sa house. Wala lang. Okay. Next. Ito ng gift. From Aria. Ito yung nauna na nandito sa harapan ko. Thank you, Aria. Let's open it. Sorry, I have to look out there. Oh my gosh! Cute na pictures namin. Gawa mo to, Aria. Cute! Look. It's our look test. Ang cute. Grabe naman ang prosecutor na yan. Nalagyan din siya ng filter ng TikTok. Wag! Yan. Cutie. Okay. Next, of course, yung selfie namin nung first NFT. Hi! Hi, Clayrish. Ano ba? Hello. Okay. Next. I'm gonna keep yawning in this live. Don't hate me for it. Okay. Haven't slept properly. Okay. I will add it to my collection. I have a turtle now. Ang cute, mama. Cute turtle. So I have a basket of anik-anik. Yung mga gantong, like, look. I have one. This is my today. And I have another one. So I have like a basket na depende what I feel about it and I use it. Thank you, Aria. Thank you for this. Next, dito ko nalagay yung bag ko. Puma shirt. I will use this for Pickled Boy. Thank you. Thank you, Aria. Thank you. Hi, Lat. Okay. Same tayo ng name. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Ellie. Okay. Isa pang hi. You didn't catch it. Hi, Clarish. Thank you, Aria, dito. Okay. Blooming talaga. Ano? Vivi. Hindi ako buntis. Blouse nga ni. This is the thinnest I've ever been, I think, in my whole life. Like, the thinnest I've been. Hindi pa balat ah. But anyways, your sarili mong fantasy yan. You have your own thoughts. Diba, grabe? Grabe siya. Yung nag-type. Ano nga ako name? Sorry, I'm so bad with names. Basta she typed here. Should be here somewhere. Okay. Okay, next. Thank you dito. Ay, meron pa. Is this part? Or nalaglag lang to? If it is, Aria, ang cute. What the heck? Strawberry. Ang cute! This is so cute. Thank you. Okay. Kasama na yan sa anik-anik. Alright. Next. We have this paper bag from No Name. Walang siyang pangalan. But inside, we have no added sugar. Uy. She'll bring this to taping. Thank you. Okay, next. This one is noodles. Pansit! Pansit! Binigyan ako ng pansit. Uy. And mochi! I could put it on the fridge, no? Is it better when I put it on the fridge? Not freezer, just... Yeah. Y'all know what I mean. Okay. I'll put the food here. Thank you! Ay, may letter. Ito na yun. Oh, and I have meron din siyang mini bracelet. Love it. Matches my outfit today. Love it. Okay. The letter, let me read. So this is from Janet or Miss Harmon. Okay. Mga sisiyo. Oh, wow. You're engaged. Thank you. Thank you, Janet. I know my friend, I'm actually singing that song. So she told me when I did a live and I sang Till I Met You. Na-imagine daw niya yung sarili niya sa aisle. I actually am singing that also for a friend in the aisle. So I'm glad you felt it. Thank you. Okay, next. Thank you. Okay, wala na ito. Next. Thank you. Next. Okay, this one is a very cute paper bag. I'm not selling anything. I'm unboxing. Sisita ako ng TikTok. Okay. Ang daming laman. In fairness. Okay. Ang daming laman. Whoa. Oops, the letter. Maybe let's start with the letter. Para you guys, I know who it's from. Okay, this one is from Ira Loon. Tama ba? Ira Loon. Oh wow, handmade. Oh, thank you. Oh wow, pakita ko mama. Look, my mom arranged the flowers you guys gave her. Tchanan! Ito yung kay mama. Yung sa akin, i-arrange ko na lang sa kana. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Super dami, mama. Parang yun, pwede dito lang. Yung parang dati. Ay, ito. Yung bala ko doon. Yun yung purple. Maganda doon. Ayan, pagsama-sama para super laki. Kung may vase tayo. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Sobrang galing ba? Sobrang galing gumiling. Ayun. Thank you kay Ira Loon. I haven't met you, says here. But thank you. I feel your support through these handmade paper. Oh, it's handmade. My gosh. Oh, wow. Which one should I try on? I'm gonna try it on. What do you guys think? I should try on the pink one. Just because. I think I'm gonna use this pink. Huh?
Ilagay doon sa green.
Yeah.
Kasi nakapiling.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try these. Ang cute naman. These are what she made. She's so cute. Thank you. Ibang klase to ah. These are so cute. I think these are bows. Thank you so much. Okay, you take a picture na, Ira Loon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next. Thank you for these pins. Grabe, handmade. The time and effort, you guys. Thank you. Meron din siyang, what is this? Kape. Kape siguro to. A keychain na kape. Tama ba? Cute! It's an espresso with a heart. Grabe ka effort man, oy. Again, sama na naman sa anik-anik. Flower clips. Okay. Nakakatuwa. Ang dami kong hair clip. Sobrang kera. Ayan. How do you actually use this? Kita to eh. Ganun. Tapos igaganon. Joke, I don't know. I never dreamed. Thank you. We always thought that dreaming was for kids. Thank you, Ira Loon. Okay, next. Medyo marami to, guys. So, bear with me. Kasi mga natutulog na dyan. Matulog na kayo. It's okay. I'm just doing this live for it. Yes, I'm very excited for the Sports Fest. I hope you guys are too. I hope Jai recovers though with his arm. Because it's currently injured. So please pray for him. Pray for his recovery. Kasi para makapag-train na siya. Yes. Ayan. This one, it's bizcocho. Oh my gosh. Kakainin agad namin yan. Next. Oh. Ano ito? Inamoy talaga. Baka mamaya danggit. Mama, do you have gunting? Extra gunting? Wait lang. Sorry, wait. I have to open my laptop because people are chatting me. And I can't read them because I'm on live now. Hey guys. Saan ko to? Tatakot ako. Ooh! I have flowers on my face. What was that? Are you going to watch the Sports Fest? If Jairus is there, I better be there. Yes. Ewan ko lang. Kung nandun si Jai, of course I support him. What is this? Sabi nga ni! Danggit nga ni! May danggit tayo, guys! May danggit na tayo, mama. Mama, bawal sa'yo to. But we have again. Sabi namin, eat healthy na kami, eat healthy. Ayan! Taran! Thank you po! Oh my goodness! Mama! Thank you, maraming salamat po! Okay. Nangamoy na akong danggit na. Namidanggit na ako. Next. Yes! Yaya! Never ending to Yaya as we love it. I don't know who this came from. I think, is it from Patty? Patty, sa'yo ba galing to? Kasi, di ba, Bacolod? Ang bongbongs Bacolod to, mama, no? Yeah, Bacolod. So, is it from Patty? Patty, is it from you? Walang name eh. Yes. Kay? Kay? Ine? From Aini? How do you read that? From Ine? Kanino Ini? Charing. Thank you po. I will eat. Good night sa matutulog. Good night. You guys can sleep. Thank you for dropping by. I'm just... Teaser pa lang po yun. Hindi pa po trailer. Sa anak nyo yan ni Jai ate. So, from Jai Nicole. Okay, next. Sorry, medyo mabagal ako mag-move ngayon kasi I'm really, really exhausted. Next. Tarang! From Mitzi. Ooh, Mitzi, I see a notebook. This is from Mitzi. It's a black notebook. It's a... Whoa! What's this? Poems! From yesterday. Ito yun. Oh my goodness. Ang cute ng sticker. Color codes of poems. Poems I got from online. Inspired poems I wrote. Poems for you, Ate Nicole. Poems I wrote for I. Oh wow. Hope you like it, my love, Mitzi. Thank you, Mitzi. Okay, let's read one. So this one, the first one. Let's do a poem that you made for me. Ito. Stage lights. I watch you from a world away where screens replace the world that say your voice. Melody so rare, it's somehow through each song and light. It feels like your heart touches mine. Aww, wow. Oh my gosh, it is filled with poems. Thank you, Mitzi. Salamat. Wow. I shall bring that sa taping. Okay. Next. So, see you yesterday. Okay. And Nicole. Is it from my cup sleeve? Yeah, I think so. Thank you po. Next. Meron akong pochi, nabukas na, kinain niya. Don't worry, I have so much of these. A fan gave me also. I'm just teasing, don't worry. Baka nadulas mo lang dito sa loob. Don't worry. Don't make it a big deal. Sabi niya, bakit mo nalagay dyan? It's okay. But at least I know you like pochi. So do I. Okay, next. What's this? Nicole Emilio. Ano ba yan? Ang cute-cute naman yan. Pero ito yung nakalagay. Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako pag binuksan ko to. Ang cute! Oh my gosh! I will keep this. I don't need to keep it! It's stickers! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna give Jai a lot of these. Kasi we have been addicted with stickers lately. Oh my gosh. Waterproof ba to? Or magnet? Ah, may magnet. Shakira, Shakira. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's magnets! No, not all. Mama, my magnets. Come on, guys. Let's go to my fridge. Let's put it. Let's put the magnets. Come on, come on. I'm bringing you guys. Come on, come on. Wait. Oh my gosh, ang daming sticker. Okay. Okay. May bago akong magnets, mama. Okay. So, as you can see, guys, my magnets. Mas marami pang magnets kami ni Jai. Ito sa pamilya ko. Ayan. Ito yung from Jai Nicole, Heath. And then this is from Minnie's. These are from Pans too. And now we'll put these. Okay. So I have a Nicole Emilio. Cute! I have this. Yung labubu na ginawa namin nila Hayat, Risha, ni Aubrey. The Shakira. Cute na, oh my God. It's me, a grumpy me. I don't know. Another grumpy me. Ang cute. Kainis. Ito yung sinabi niya. Ito yung sinabi niya sa G-Suit na parang kayong buy one, take one, no? Ito yun. Okay. Ay! Ang cute nung sa lilim. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ang cute. Okay. I like this. I put it here. To my door. Also, I have this one when I wore my all-yellow outfit when I came to Davao. Not sure. And then I have a Kara. I love! Ang daming, guys. Grabe. Okay? I will see it all the time. It's just there. Sa fridge. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mitzi. I think. Thank you from Mitzi, right? Thank you. Okay. Next. Mga matulog na kayo. Kung may pasok kayo bukas, matulog na kayo. Okay. I'm just unboxing. So, ang daming stickers. Sana may waterproof dito kasi yun yung nilalagay namin ni Jai. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Thank you. Ang daming stickers. Oh my gosh. I shall give some of these. Thank you. May mga pasok matulog na. Lahat naman ata may pasok. Okay. Thank you, Mitzi. Oh, there's another letter. Oh! Mitzi, sa'yo pala galing. Oh my gosh, kala ko binigyan niya ako ng totoong pera. Oh my gosh, ito na yon. Inaantay ko. Ipapa-frame ko to. Mama. It's me. Ito ba yung gagamitin namin sa set? Charing. Of course not. I can't. I'm using real money. But this is so funny. This is so funny. Oh my gosh. Nakakatawa. Ano ito? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I shall frame it. Yeah? I shall frame this. Of course, alam nyo na, 4K. Hilig talaga sa number 4 si Guay siguro, ano? Thank you, Mitzi. Thank you. Gumawa pa siya ng wallet na, or is this like a wallet folder? This is so cute. Thank you. Next. It's me! With my Sneed. Sneed pala. Ayan. There's no sticker I want. Okay, let's open. Who is this from? It smells... Halatang sprayhan ng malupitan para mabangong mabango. Opo. Okay. What is it? What is it? What is it? Why is it soft? Okay, wait, let's start with this. Especially for you. Shira! Shira season. Is this a letter or what is it? What is it? Damn, it's a long letter. Hold on, give me a sec. Thank you, Shira. Hep, hep, oh yeah. Naiyak ako. Thank you po. Thank you. Salamat po sa suporta. Super feel it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. At ang bango. Super bango. At I have stickers! More stickers! More stickers, yay! And I think these are waterproof. Meron akong stickers sa theater ko. Meron akong Clara. Meron din akong Emily. And then my favorite, I have these in my water bottle. It's coming off though. Ang cute. Hello, isaw. Hello, isaw. Ang cute. Oh, Kiara. My Kiara mode back on the rain in España. Cute. Me during my personal shoot. Ang cute naman ni Jai. I'll give it to Jai also. Our radio guesting. Oh, ang dami. Oh, shining Kiara. Oh, guys, don't ever do this, okay? When you see this plant, don't ever do this. Poisonous pala to. I've said it before. So, naiyak ako sa letter mo, ha? Thank you po. Excited na ako. Daming stickers. Stickers. Sana waterproof sila. Kasi nilalagay ko sa water bottle ko. Okay. Next. There's a letter but I don't know. Ay, ito pala yung sa flowers pala. Okay. Next. Ay, ito pala. Ito yung pinabanguhan niyang malupit. Ay, marami pang maliliit na bagay. Marami pang abubot. We have a bracelet and a ring. Thank you. I will use it. Nakikita niyo na lang gamit ko siya. Oh, marami pa siyang anik-anik. How do I remove this? Paano po ito? How do I remove? Cute. This one says Nicole. I have a flower one and this one. I really like this one. Look at may pamaypay. Kasama na to sa anik-anik. Fix, sold. Love it. Thank you, Zarita Laika. Thank you po. Okay. What's this? Ay, meron din siyang pins. Nakita ko itong pins na ito nung sa meet and greet. Sa hi-bye. Cute. I shall put them on my ukulele. What's this? A scarf? I love scarves. Oh my gosh. I love it. Ang bango. Over sa bango. Yes. Love it. Thank you po. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. You mentioned me and Kuya Jai on your story. Okay, I hope I see it. Medyo maraming notifications. I'm sorry for those who mention us tapos hindi ko na-acknowledge or what. Medyo, hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi lahat lumalabas. Para minsan pupunta pa ako. Pag nakita ko kay Jai, tapos ba't may nag-post si Jai nito pero wala akong ganun. Parang, tapos open ko. Hindi lang pala talaga siya lumalabas. Okay, next. We have these. These are heavy things. Again, thank you, Shira. Tama? Yes, those are from Shira. Ito na yung avocado. Is this from Madel? Otak! Otak! Marami na akong pang breakfast. What's next? Crinkles? Oh my God, I love crinkles! Guys, paano ako? Paano ako da-diet? Yan! Next. The avocados. Bakit kasi ganito niya inaano yung paper bag? Ang hirap niyang buksan. Ayan. Okay. Avocados! Pahinugin natin. Mama got avocados. Next. Where am I going? Okay, ito. Meron dito. In front of me. Ate Nicole, can't wait to see Kiara on Near Beyond Private. I know. Easy, Sai. Sai, thank you for this. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! I always spoils me. Ovaltinis! Sweet orange. Oh, I think Jai will love this. I think. Thank you. I'll bring these on set. Lahat ng food. Dadalhin ko. And, ooh, this Cochimalos. Wow. Talks. Ate Nix, can you give me a moto? I said, I do have a moto. It's the only moto I have. It's on my IG. Check it. Okay. Next. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, iti-display agad ito. Wala na. Mama, look. Wow. It's all my iconic rolls. Thank you. Wow. Thank you, guys. Okay. Sai, thank you. Alam mo na yun. I shall post about it. I posted. Ay, ito! Ginawan ako. This is from Drivers. From Drivers. Thank you, Drivers. They're so sweet. I love Drivers so much. They're so generous and they're so kind. Okay. Thank you, Drivers. Okay, I got the sticky notes. I gotta go. Please don't miss me too much. Uy, ang cute! Cutie. Band-aids from yesterday. Ito yung pinakita. So, may mga blood na to. Kahapon pa pala. Nagamit na to. Eme. This is so cute. Ang cute ng mga band-aids. I shall use. Thank you. And then, I have a cup. Mama, look. Nakita ko to pero Gyros Aquino yung nakalagay. Dito Nicole Omilo. I shall wear it right now. For the rest of this live. Yeah? Yeah. Hi, Cheryl. Charlene. Hi, Charlene. Hi, what's your name? Sa. Okay, if you guys want me to greet you, please let me know. It's from Jivers, you guys. I didn't make it. Thank you. Ang ganda. Thank you. Okay. Next, there's this black box. Okay. Ito, ang dami na yung pinagdaanan. May mga tissue siyang laman. Yes, Chandre. Mukha na akong fan. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Guys, thank you ulit sa sumuporta sa aming Viva concert, the repeat. Oh, nakakuha pa ako ng voucher for who wants this? Me. Okay. Next. Ay, kay cute man, uy. Guys, they made me hair clips with my face on it. Gamitin ko to pag nag-hair and makeup. Ang cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Don't tell me goes to Stagic Pics. You're on the go, kut-kutin. Oh my god. Oh, it's all my favorite snacks. How, Pochi. Choco sticks. I love. Thank you po. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ang ganda ng packaging. Palakpakan naman natin. Grabe. Vitamin LOVE. Cute. Oh, wow. Kumaris of Nicole. Salamat. Wow. Ang ganda. Yes, mama. Thank you. This one is from Kim. Kita ko lang. From Kim. Let's open. This is from Kim. To Nicole from Kim. Wow, parang mystery box. Smile today. Thank you. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Okay, I'm gonna try them on, ha? I'll wear this back. Again, Drivers, thank you. I love it. I will use this. Yung tipong talagang may cap ka of yourself. Just full of yourself, Okay, I have a hair clamp. Oh my gosh, a very cute hair clamp. I love. Okay, thank you. Wait, I brought my laptop out because someone was messaging me and I wasn't able to read it. Give me a second, you guys. Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. These lovers is waiting for me. Just to call the bar. I don't know the lyrics. I know I gave it to you months ago. Ay, gusto ko din talaga mag-mall show sa Cebu. Kung alam mo lang. Wait. Mama, what's Mercoles? That is... Ako mag-look. Sorry. Okay. Or I just had some work. Okay, again. From Kim. Thank you, Kim. More hair clamps because I can never get enough hair clamps because bilis ko masira to kasi makapal yung buhok ko. Hair ties. A lot of hair things. Another anik-anik. Cute. This is cute. This is cute. What's this? Ano ito? Is this a hair tie or is this a wristband? What is it? I can't tell. Pero dalawa siya. So, wristband? Let me know if I'm wrong. What time ako mag-e-end? Patapos na. Gusto mo end ko na ngayon? Hi, Nicole. Wow, from Cebu. Hello. From... Oh, diba? Wag daw i-end. Di na nga ni. Tapusin ko muna. Pagkatapos ko na to, i-end ko na. Malapit na. Then there's a headband. A very cute bubble headband. I don't know how to wear these. Like, may isa akong ganito. Hindi ko lang paano suotin. How do you wear these? Like, sorry, maraming confetti. Dumikit. Hindi siya dumi. Okay. It's just confetti. Huh? Tawan-tawa kami doon sa sexy dance ni Nance. Oo, tawan-tawa ako sa reaction ni Aubrey Cam. Ooh, and then I have these. The facial headband thingies. Thank you. And then, I have a shower cap. Yan, sinuot na lahat. Suotin ko na lang lahat. And then, a headband. Love it. And the letter. Okay. Wala, oy. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Kim. This is so sweet. Oh, and there's also a special clamp. Thank you. Ano-ano na ang sinuot sa mama? Ano ba yung ginagawa ng anak ko eh? This is a shower cap. I've never actually used a shower cap in my life. Thank you. Thank you, Kim. I will keep these. Pati yung sticky note. Of course. Next. Ang ganda namin ni Bea kahapon. Diyos ko. Guys, sobrang tonto ako sa outfit ni Bea. Sabi ko talaga, damn! Ain't she gorgeous? Okay. Thank you. Dito ko muna ilalagay ha. Kasi medyo ang dami ng... Ilagay ko yung food dito. Puno na guys. Puno na yung table ko. Okay. Next. Oh. I think I have 2 more bags. Don't worry. We're almost done. Okay? Kapag kailangan nyo na umalis na kayo. Hindi naman kailangan mag-stay. Okay? UAE tour. Wow, it's a dream. I wish I could go there. Never been there. Good luck. See college. Okay. This is from Alex. Here's... Bakit pa, Thank you so much. Bawi ako, promise. Alex, thank you. Nung bawi-bawi, di kailangan. Oh, cute. Looks like Gokuya. And he has hair. Ay, cute. Cutie. Thank you po. Next. Oh, food again. Thank you po. And then a blanket. Huh? Uy, magagamit ko to sa taping. Paano ba to? Diba? Gagamit sa taping, hindi marunong. Paano ito? Do I just pull it out? How does this work? Baka masira ako. Ano ba to? Ay, may ano pa pala. Okay. May tag. Wait lang. I'll try it on. Give me a sec. Okay. Let's try it on, guys. Nakatulog po siya, Sir Gary. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Ang cute. Boogs. Cute! Tapos pwede mo siya i-lock dito. So, pag nilalamig ako sa set, I can use these. Okay, wear ko na. Wear ko na now. Okay. Thank you, Alex! Mama, look. Ganda. May binili yung mama ko ganito eh, kasi hindi siya nakiklip. Gusto nakiklip. We were trying to look for one like this. We didn't find, so thank you. Okay. Last. Ay, may isa pa pala. Ay. Marami pa pala. Tatlo. Last 3. Okay, so I got one from Baguio, Philippines. Oh, eh. Baguio, Philippines. Baguio, this pouch. Ang cute ng design. I love. Thank you po. This one is from Ate Leds and May. Can I read this later? Maya na. Special. Cute na sticker! Okay, here's another box. Who's this from? I don't know. Ah, it's all the fan stuff. Cute. Okay. Nightsticks. Nice. The t-shirt. Oh my gosh, I have the t-shirt. Naiingit ako to sa naka-t-shirt. Ayan na, 4,000. Isang buo. Isang buong 4,000 siya. It's so funny. Cute! Ay, ang ganda naman nito. Ano to? Card. Thank you. This is from... Where's this one? Are the stickers waterproof? Ilalagay ko agad siya sa ano? Sa water bottle. Ay, ay, ay. Ang ganda ng mga stickers. Hala. Hala, ang ganda. Ay, ang cute ng Lopez. Ay! Okay, makikita nyo na lang yan sa water bottle ko. Basta. Okay. Wait, you want me to post? Saglit. May nalaglag. Ito. Tapon na to. Ayaw na ayaw. Okay, I will post. Hold on. Wait, ready. Cute. Tapos sinot ko yung headband namin. Ting! Okay. Last 2. This one. Napakabigat. Ang ganda ng eco bag, oh. Mama, look at the eco bag. Today, tomorrow, and yesterday.
Ganyan ako, binigyan.
Ay, meron ka. Ayaw po niya magpatalo. Meron si mom. My mom's still awake. She's arranging the flowers na. Toming foods! Ooh. Lingua. We love lingua. Strawberry jam, mother! May ganito ka na rin. Ay, wala. Broth. Uy, sarap. Ooh, another flakes, the choco flakes also. But with white chocolate, I believe. Ah! Peanut brittle. Kala ko patapos na tayo sa peanut brittle. Meron pa din. mother. Pero yung cute.
Pamerienda.
Yeah, super. Guys, nung nagbagyo kami, ito din yung lagi natin pinadala. And of course, we have vitamins. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love. Okay, last. Ito medyo kailangan seryoso siguro ako dito. Tanggalin ko na to. Medyo big deal tong huling bubuksan ko. I was told to video myself. But I had no time last night. And I was too exhausted and I had scheduled today. So, okay. I'm gonna open it na. Did I wear the headband at least? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna unbox. Ay, wow. Wow. Okay, we're unboxing it. Basahin ko muna ito. Okay, before I unbox. Kasi baka ma-miss out ko na naman ito. Huh? Bakit? Hindi ako inactive. Let's see, and thank you po. Salamat. Sorry. Na-overwhelm ako. Okay. Baka ma-overwhelm ulit ako dito sa regalo na ito. Next. Ito pa. Let's see, and me ulit. Hanggang sa'yo na naman. Thank you. Same letter talaga. So, sa kanila din to galing. Thank you po. Alright. Let's unbox it. Yo, stop. Stop. Oh my goodness, mother. Versace. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Box pa lang. Box pa lang parang okay na ako. Ganun. Ganun. Bango. Oh my goodness. Oh my, wow. Golly, wow. Here guys, looks like this. How do I get through life without you? Ewan. Oh, Versace on the floor. Grabe yung bigat. Maasang may laman pa siya. Wala na. Cool. Wala. Yun lang yan. Here. Okay. So, it has its own bag. Na pwede ko lagyan ng makeup. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Tadang! It is a makeup bag! Ooh, it has a foam thing. Ooh, I really like that. If you know me, I like this texture so much. As in, nahanap to ng paa ko lagi. Ito na. Meron siyang shower gel. Ooh, bango. Okay. Diretso na sa shower ito. Next. Is the lotion. Body lotion. And, of course, the perfume. Wow! My first Versace perfume. Or my first ever Versace anything. I don't really... Wala pa tayong Versace ever, mama, no? Hindi pa tayo bumibili. It's my first. Mama has one. Regalo. Wait, I can't. Pickleball with Bea. Siniset na namin. Ano mo si ano? Na may smell. Mom. Ay, ni-arrange na ni Mama yung flowers. Di na napakita sa inyo. I'll try to take a picture, okay? Thank you, Ate Lency. And Ate May, this is so nice. As in, Ate May saka Ate Letzi, sobra-sobra na talaga ang pagmamahal. As in. Look, oh my God, look so pretty. Thank you. Ang bango. Tapos yan, meron kang makeup. Here, Mama, smell.
Gusto mo ano?
Bango. I love. Thank you. Ayan, so dito ilalagay. Thank you po. Grabe. Wala, nagkalat lang ako dito sa bahay. Nagkalat. Hindi ko na na-arrange. Oh my gosh. I hope I got to open everything. I hope I got to show you guys everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Grabe. Grabe. Grabing love and support you guys. I have to move my phone. So, sobrang dami. Wait. Okay, never mind. I'll just put you back. Ayun, thank you. Thank you guys sa lahat ng regalo. Grabe, I super appreciate that. So many food. Like, meron na akong compilation of food. I'll show you guys the flowers. Mom arranged it na. So, we have this. Pretty. Ganda, diba? Dati nandyan yung flowers na binili ni Jai, yung blue. And then now, ito na yung flowers niya. Thank you. Ang ganda, diba? Kailangan ko maghanap ng vase na malaki. Because right now, 3 yung vases here. But there should be a big one. Kasi we really like putting it here sa my receiver. Ang ganda, no? Ching. Ching. The orchids are my mom's. These are from you guys. These are from you guys. Yeah. Just showing. Before I end the live, just showing it to you guys. Then ito, ginawa ni Mama naman for our dining table. She made it very tiny and cute. Here. Ayan. See? So, lahat ng flowers nyo guys, I promise, like, sobrang appreciate namin. Binibigyan nyo kami ng life sa aming home. Thank you. I don't get flowers every day, pero sobrang in one day, grabe na. You have filled it up. Thank you. Again, I did this live to do an unboxing of all the gifts you guys gave me from yesterday's event. Thank you. I'm so overwhelmed with the love, support, and our yesterday's escape teaser number 2 is out. Please do help us share and just let us know how you guys feel about it. Comment, tag us. We're still rolling until now. We're not done rolling. And yeah, I deeply want to apologize, of course, dun sa mga na-disappoint because na-adjust yung dates and wala eh. Mabigat yung show eh. And I think it needs a lot of time for us to process and make sure. So we just want to give you the best of the best. So I hope you guys are happy with everything. Sana masaya po kayo sa teaser. It's the second teaser. Yes. So, ayun. Maraming salamat. And I'm overwhelmed with all the love. Really. Daming emotions. Maybe I'm just tired of PMSing or something. I don't know. But thank you. I'm so grateful for all of you. Maraming salamat. Again, it's 12 na. Matulog na kayo. Kayong, what's that? 200. Is that 200 or 1,000? But may 1,000. Hindi ko alam kung ilan kayo. But, tulog na kayo. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you for the support. And I'll see you guys yesterday. Bye. Thank you again.